Let's go! What is happening with Bitcoin right now? It is falling like a rock. This is stuff we need to talk about right now because you can see that we are right now below my orange line here, my thick orange line, struggling with getting above it. And are we going to see a retest of $30,000 again? At this point, it is looking likely. Today, we are going to be talking about that, guys. We are also going to be talking about Ethereum, and Ethereum is, it went down a lot. It went all the way down to 1,750 actually. So we need to talk about Ethereum as well, and then we are talking about what to expect here in the near future. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. Guys, 2 videos today because we need to talk about the market. But if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. Okay, so first off, what we need to talk about is Bitcoin on the 1 hourly time frame. And you can see that we had another huge drop here on the 1 hourly time frame. We did almost come down to $30,000 and test this, not all the way down here, but now we are struggling with my orange line, and maybe we are going to get down here and test $30,000. So the first thing we need to consider here is that the red line here at $30,000 is going to be very strong. Now, the second thing we need to talk about is that there's extreme fear in the market right now. And this correction we've had so far, if we look over on CoinGecko and we look for Bitcoin, hold on, let me see here. There we go, Bitcoin. It is down 27% during the last 7 days. And I would say something like maybe close to 45%, maybe 48% during the last couple of, actually I do have this one right here. So it is actually down 51% if you take the price of $31,000, which was the bottom on this correction. On some exchanges it went even lower. I mean, right here it went to 29,986, but that was a 51% correction, which is big. It is decent. It's not unusual. In fact, we are seeing these dips every now and then. And I know that a lot of people were entering crypto. They have never been in the crypto space before. And when we talk about Bitcoin having corrections of 45%, having corrections of 50, 60%, and altcoins going down by 95%, if you are in the middle of the, you are in the parabolic phase of the crypto, and it's just impossible for someone new to imagine that. But yeah, this is why we have been telling you about this. This is why we have been telling you to, I have been telling you to recycle some of the profits from the altcoins into Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, because the end game is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. That is the end game, and I know that a lot of you people took that advice as well, because if you look at the altcoins, I mean, some of them are already down during the last 7 days, 70% here, and this is in the top 50. If you look at all of the altcoins in the top 250 or so, some altcoins are down more, 80, 90%. So always in a parabolic phase of the market, when altcoins are popping, you take profit, you put parts of it into Bitcoin. The end game is to accumulate as much Bitcoin as possible. So what should we expect here? Well, I think that, just like I said, this is going to be strong at $30,000, and it's a big risk to actually sell Bitcoin right now. Basically, everything between these red lines here, this is just noise, and anything can happen. We can go down to $30,000, we can go up to $42,000, and the macro structure of the market, nothing really changes. But if we break down from $30,000, we are going to enter into a more bearish trend. But if we break this, we are again going to enter into a more bullish trend. But I mean, if we go down here, this is why I'm saying, look, people are extremely fearful right now, and I am buying this dip. Now, can it go below here? Can it continue to go lower? Of course, it can go lower, but the lower it goes, it's just a better opportunity to buy. But you don't use all of your funds, so that's the problem. Some people got in with everything they have at the top, and so right now they're not able to buy the dip. But here's the thing I want to tell everyone. No matter if you got in at the top, no matter if you have been buying the dip and you continue to see it go down, I got in at the top of 2017. I saw everything go down, just completely crash. Throughout the bear market, that is when, I learned crypto. I learned how to navigate this market and things. When the next bull phase came in 2020, I was completely prepared for that. Okay, actually towards the end of 2019, I was prepared for it. And so if you stick around in the crypto space, you're also going to be prepared for it, because there's always going to be new opportunities no matter what happens. And we have already gone down so much in altcoins and also in Bitcoin actually. So selling everything right now into support and calling it a day, I think that is going to be one of the biggest mistakes anyone can make. But hey, that is what this market is for. If you thought that you could just get into Bitcoin or altcoins, buy everything, and it would be an easy, smooth ride up to financial freedom, it doesn't work like that. Most people in this market lose money. Okay, so most people lose money. You want to be in the winning edge, and I am going to follow you, be it bull or bear. I'm always going to be here and make these videos. I've gone through a bear market. I am going to show you exactly how to navigate it also and make money. Yeah, actually make more money in a bear market. So make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And that is why I am not worried. Even if we go lower here, I know that those are fantastic buying opportunities, and I know that the lower the price goes, the better the gains are going to be eventually when we turn around, because it's just a matter of time before we turn around. Be it 1 week, 2 weeks, 6 months, whatever it is going to turn around, because Bitcoin is the best asset in the world. And if you do not think that Bitcoin is going to be a very good investment moving forward, why are you in crypto to begin with, or Bitcoin and altcoins, I should say? If you really believe in altcoins, well, that's on you. For me, the name of the game is to accumulate Bitcoin. And then, I look forward to all of the innovation with altcoins and the innovation with the DeFi and such. But the name of the game is to accumulate Bitcoin on dips, get ready in the bear market so that we can take advantage of the next bullish phase of the market to its full extent. So let's take away this and let's go to the 1 weekly time frame. We have been talking about the 21 EMA, and at this point, I think it's pretty obvious that we are not going to be closing above it. So this is going to be interesting to see. This traditionally is holding us in every bull market. Now it is not going to hold because there's only, I believe, a couple of 6-8 hours or so before this one closes. So yeah, this is probably going to close below here, and that is going to be interesting to see. But understand that there's extreme fear in the market right now, and people, whales, big players in the market are trying to get you to sell your Bitcoin. Okay, let's continue. Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is not looking too good right now. But the thing is, just like I said in my previous video, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything is following, Ethereum, Cardano, all of the other altcoins, everything is following Bitcoin right now. So if Bitcoin continues to go down and crash down, you can expect them to continue as well. But yeah, I think that the red line I was showing you previously at $30,000 is a very logical reversal point. Can it go lower? It can, but then I am ready to buy the dip. Okay, futures markets on the S&P 500 opens up in a couple of hours. We will see what happens. If we see a big dump here, then expect the crypto markets to go down even lower. But if we see this orange line hold and that we are going to just continue to go up here like this, right? Taking a bounce here and going up to the upside, that is probably going to help the crypto markets as well. So all in all, dips are for buying, according to me, not financial advice. You do you, I do me. But yeah, that is what I am doing. That is what I was doing in 2018, and it worked out pretty damn good. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.